Hello everyone. Let's make a movie about North American wolves using Windows Movie Maker. Hi everyone, Mrs. Bro here. We're going to start by accessing the Windows Movie Maker software. You're going to do that by going to the Start menu and going up to Windows Movie Maker. If you don't see Windows Movie Maker here, go back down to All Programs, click on it, and then you're going to go up and find Windows Movie Maker and click on it. To add a title to your slide, you're going to go up to Tools at the top of your screen, File, Edit, View Tools, and click on it. When you click on it, a menu will open up, and what you want to select is Titles and Credits. Once you get here, you're going to click on Add Title at the beginning of the movie. You're going to click on it, and then a new window is going to pop up. This is what you will see. And what you're going to do here is you're going to type in a title for your slide based on your topic. For purposes here, I'm going to title mine The Pack Life. And then down here, what you're going to do is put the name of everyone in your group. And then once you're done with that, you're going to click Done, Add Title to Movie. Once you create a title slide, one of the most important things you need to do is to save your work. So we're going to go up to the word File and down to Save Project. And again, we are saving everything in the school global drive under Mrs. Bro's class under our wolf videos. Here on my computer, it saves it in my videos. You're going to go down to the file name, you're going to delete Untitled, and you're going to put in the title for your topic, which for me, what I've been using is The Pack. And then you're going to click Save. And just remember, every time you make a change and you're happy with the change, save it. Save often. The next thing we're going to do is import pictures into your movie. If you look up at the top here, it says capture video, but underneath it, it says to import pictures, and that's what we are going to do. You're going to click on import pictures, and if you were at school, when you're in school, you're going to be looking towards the global drive under Mrs. Bro's class, under our Wolf project, and your pictures will be there. For the purposes of this instructional video, I have my pictures put into a My Pictures folder, and then you can see I made a subfolder called Wolves. And I'm keeping all of my images, all of my audio, all of my video is placed in here. So what you're going to do is you have to select three pictures, at least three pictures, that support your topic, whether it's the wolf pack. I'm going to use a couple different pictures. There's this picture right here. I think I'll use this one. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to click on Import. And then what happens is Windows Movie Maker will take that image from the global folder, and it will put it into your collection within Movie Maker. Once you get the picture there, then what you're going to have to do is click and drag it into the timeline. So for this purpose right here, I'm going to take this picture of this red wolf, and I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it down into the timeline. When I click and drag the red wolf picture down into the timeline, you can see right now I have these two little boxes. This first box, if I click on it, is the title slide. And you get a preview over here up in the right-hand preview pane. I can click on the Fox photo. Actually, I can double click on it, and there's a preview of what it will look like when we play it. Now, if you look down here, there is this little slide bar. You are going to grab the blue top part and push it all the way back, and then come over here to the preview pane and click play. And what will happen is you will see a preview. You will see a preview of what you've done. You are going to repeat the image import steps for 2 more pictures. Remember that you need to go to the Import Pictures selection and click on it. The next window that will appear, you'll have to redirect yourself to your pictures. You'll import them into the gallery, and then you'll drag them into the timeline. Now what we're going to do is put in a narration. We are going to be focusing more down at the bottom on the timeline. You can see on the storyboard that you have your title slide and you've got 3 images. We are going to be clicking on this microphone button here to start a narration that will cover all of these 3 pictures and the title slide. To begin recording a narration, you need to make sure that the blue slide bar in the timeline down at the storyboard is pushed all the way over to the left-hand side, so it's lined up with 0, 0, 0, 0. And then what you're going to do is click on the microphone. When you do that, a new window is going to appear with the recording information. And what you're going to do is, when you are ready, you are going to click on Start Narration, and you will narrate the information that you want to go with all 4 of your images in the storyboard. When you click Start Narration, pretty much you're not going to see much happening, but at the bottom here you can see that the slide bar keeps going as your voice is recording. So you'll know if you need to speed up or slow down so that your narration fills all 3 slides. Now when you're done with your narration, you're going to go up at the top here and you're going to click Stop Narration. And then what's going to happen is it's going to want to save that narration as an audio file. So you can see it's going to save it as a Windows Media audio file. And you're going to want to give this a name. So let's say your topic is the pack. You might want to title this The Pack Narration. And then you're going to click Save. And you'll notice that once it saves it, you're going to get a little wiggly line at the bottom here where your audio file is. Let's see if we can get that to show up. And there it is. See your pack narration right at the bottom. Now you can take a look at everything you've done. You can take the blue slide bar, bring it all the way to the beginning of your movie. Again, my computer's working very slow here. Move it all the way back, and then once you move it all the way back, you can click the play button. And when you click the play button, you're going to see everything over here on the right-hand side. So that's it for now. What we'll do next is I'll use the Elmo to show you how to add transitions to your movie.